Long ago, every task in the world belonged to humans alone. We thought, we decided, we built and created, all with our own hands and minds. But our strength had limits. Tiredness slowed us down. Mistakes crept in. The world moved faster than we could keep up. So we invented machines, tools built for speed and power. Machines never sleep. They never tire. Yet, even with all that strength, machines had a single flaw. They could not think. They waited, silent and still, until given a command. No action, no initiative. Without guidance, even the mightiest machine was a statue. And so, programming was born. It's not magic or mystery. It's a way to think clearly and direct machines step by step. Imagine asking a friend, "Bring me tea." They know what you mean. But machines? Unless you spell out every detail, each exact move, they remain idle. Step by step, you show the way. Go to the kitchen. Grab a cup. Add tea. Pour water. Carry the cup. In these simple, precise instructions, a machine comes alive. This is code. This is programming. No secret language. No hidden genius. Just careful explanation. Clear, logical, methodical. Like the hero in a story, machines follow your plan. Every action, every repetition, every pause, all obey your command. That's the heart of programming. Every app, every website, every game, a programmer mapped out steps for a machine to follow. When you learn programming, you step into the role of director, the one who commands, who creates, who shapes the machine's destiny. It's about thinking deeply and explaining simply. It's empowerment, pure and simple. Welcome. You're not here to battle machines. You're here to lead them with the power of your mind. That's programming.